Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle, the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars Sudoku and a 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 9729. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a double O's, here one, there one. 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 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Then double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 3 double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.